General Sherman.
Yo, what's up everybody? We're the Arceys, and after years and years of dreaming about getting a van and traveling all over America, we finally did it. We bought a van. So follow us on our journey as we drive state to state, eating the local foods, seeing the best views, and creating memories that'll last a lifetime. This is Arcesadventures.
Good morning from Stony Creek Campground here at Sequoia National Park. Right now, I'm gonna try to find the Sherman Tree. Good morning. You ready to go on a hike? Come. Yo. Yeah. Good morning. Thank you. All right, I just made it to the parking lot of the Sherman Tree. So I am right here, and I gotta walk this way to find the General Sherman Tree.
Omega? Yeah. Wow. Feels
So this right here is a giant forest.
It is giant.
There it is, the largest tree on earth. Right there. Whoa, let's go. Yeah, they're big trees.
No, look it.
Dude, there's big trees everywhere.
Like this.
General Sherman.
You tired?
Yeah.
You wanna be carried?
No.
Oh.
So this hike to the Sherman Tree, it's half a mile down, half a mile up. So it's not too steep, but it is a climb. We got here at 6:30. There's like one other family. Too many cars.
Not that busy compared to Yosemite and Grand Canyon.
Bam! Just went to Best Buy. My cameras are running out of space too. I already swapped out a couple memory cards, so I picked up some more SD cards. 5 hours until we get to Needles KOA, because we need to recharge our Gold Zero. It's been lasting like 6 days powering that fridge. So if you guys get a Gold Zero 3000X, you could power up that Dometic for like 6 days, 5-6 days. Yo, what's up? We just made it to our KOA. We're here in Needles, Nevada. This is what you get for 40 bucks. Number one thing we wanted was some power. Yep, that's what we need. We got a lovely stump. We also got a lovely picnic table. And they have a pool. And we're enjoying ourselves. much fun.
Yeah, it's super fun.
This past time won't help me getting over it. I don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you.
Dinner is served.
And it's certainly not because it's easy.
Kids are hungry. They just got done swimming. You guys like the pool?
Yeah, it's too cold.
Jacob, you like the pool? Thanks, Mommy, for cooking.
Welcome.
What you cook?
I got the leftover beef, chicken wings, leftover grilled chicken, tortillas, and fried rice. And the kids, they have their chicken nuggets and corn dogs.
See you tomorrow. Peace.
That's how you make breakfast in the morning when you don't have a long extension cable and you gotta stay next to the power box. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, fans. I had 3 fans.
This is your fan club.
This is my fans club.
They got a recreation room. Smile. You're on camera. All right, so this is the rec room. We got a couch over here. We got a pool table. Over here, we got a restroom. We got a sink, microwave. We got a couple tables. Got a bunch of books. Got movies. Got a big TV. And it's AC.
Hey guys, this place has different kinds of movies. It has like kids movies, grown-ups movies, whatever kinds of movies there are.
Wait, those are not DVDs.
I know.
That's not Netflix. What is that?
Those are like tapes. Put the movie. We're going to put the VHS in there. So let's get a close up. So how do you put it?
Yep, just like that.
Are you sure?
Yep. This way.
This way. Play. Oh man, I'm scared. Hey, here.
Yep, turn the power to this TV.
Oh, I'm scared.
One of the big reasons we love staying at KOAs is because we get to wash our dirty, filthy laundry at the laundry room.
Welcome to the laundry room. For you to do laundry, you need $1.75. And to dry your laundry, you need $1.25 for 45 minutes. And this is for the upper dryer, and this is for the lower dryer. All the instructions are here, and it's easy. And now I'm about to take off our clothes.
Grandpa Joe just made it to Laughlin, and it's hot as hell. It's like 118.
Oh, you go down now.
You were, so I did.
Camaros.
Wait.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
What's up, everybody? Well, that's a wrap on our trip. We started our trip on May 31st, and today is June 16. We're done traveling. We're gonna go head back home. We started off in Tucson, and we went over to Joshua Tree, then we went to Riverside and San Diego, and then we visited Yosemite, and now we're just relaxing, recharging our batteries here at Riverside Hotel in Laughlin. The kids had a great time, went swimming every day. I drank every day. I even won a little bit on the penny machines. And yeah, that's a wrap. All right, hope to see you on the next adventure, guys. Did everyone have fun?
Yeah.
Everyone had a good time?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
About my favorite part, seeing the Sherman Tree.
The Sherman tree. The Sherman tree. Wow.
Me too.
Yeah?
I mean, my part was go to the hotel. And
What about you, Jazzy? Thumbs up. All right, that's a wrap. These kids, they just get to relax in the AC, eat popsicles. We had a refrigerator in here. They're just enjoying themselves, complaining every time I'm taking them out to take a picture. But in the long run, they got some good photos. And now I'm gonna be telling them later, you guys are freaking unappreciative. Just joking. Anyways, guys, we're out. Arcesadventures. Peace.
You drive me crazy, tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you.
Look at that.
Dude.
Dude,
There's so many big trees.
no, look at this one.
Dude, this is like if Keebler elves lived here, they could be fat, big Keebler elves because these are big trees. Ooh, it's hot, like my wife.
Yeah, it's hot. Like her.
Wow, that was the best. That was the best cannonball. That was the best cannonball I ever seen in my whole life. What you got there?
Oh, I just got the Ghostbusters. It's not CD or CD-ROM or disc. It's like a
VHS.
yeah, it's VHS. This is the this was the first TV thing to play before modern disc. So Dad, where do you exactly put the VHS?
Right here where the old one is. The one that has a movie already in there. On the bottom. See? That's where you put it in. One of the big reasons we like Who do you love?
You.
Okay, are you gonna get a boyfriend?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're not gonna get a boyfriend. If you have a boyfriend, I'm gonna punch him in his face. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Arcesadventures!